Good morning, Primary 7. It's Miss Faulkner again, and I have popped along this morning to help you with your spelling this week. So I am going to introduce each group's spelling lists and spelling rule, and maybe have a little practice of them, and let you know what you can expect to learn in your spelling this week. So now that we are beginning new learning as of this week, it's important that we share our expectations for you going forward. So this is what you can expect from us every day of the week. So on a Monday, you can expect that you will get your new spelling word list, and you will also get the Nelson spelling page to focus on for your particular word list and spelling rule. And that will happen on a Monday. Then on Tuesdays to Thursdays, it's over to you. It's up to you to direct your own learning through engaging with the spelling grids, and the various resources will be sent to you by your class teacher. Sometimes this might be a game, or sometimes this might be an actual written activity task. And then on Friday, it is test day, just like it is in the classroom. So this time we would like you to get somebody at home to test, or maybe it could be an older brother or sister, maybe it could be a mum or dad or somebody at home, and we would like you to send us a photo of how you got on. So for those of you working on our extended spelling list, the phoneme that you are focusing in on this week is the PH phoneme, and your spelling list is rather long. So please let us know if you prefer for this to be spread out over 2 weeks. We are absolutely open to feedback and want to ensure that you are being successful in your learning, which will mean that you are progressing at a pace which best suits your learning. So I'm going to read out your word list for you. You can hear that there are quite a few different representations of the PH phoneme. So here goes. Your words are agoraphobia, arachnophobia, cacophony, claustrophobia, hydrophobia, paragraph, pharaoh, pharmacist, pharynx, phenomenon, phlegm, phobia, phoneme, photosensitive, photosynthesis, physical, physicist, physiotherapy, symphony, and xenophobia. On the slide, you will see some instructions. We'd like you to copy out your word list and look up the meaning of any of the words that you don't know in the dictionary. We'd like you to look out for the spelling rules that apply to your word list, and these can be seen on the next slide. Remember, you can pause and rewind and replay this video as many times as you like to help you. And what we'd like you to do is choose a colour for each rule and identify which particular rule applies within each word on the list. So let's have a look at the different spelling rules that apply to this week's word list for you folks. So the 3 spelling rules that you have got going on in your spelling list this week is the PH, where that makes up the word or the suffix phobia. And it gives you a little clue there and a little example about what phobia means and where its origins lie. The next spelling rule is where the P is not pronounced, i.e. it's silent, and that can happen at the beginning of lots of words, and they've given you some examples there as well. And then the other spelling rule that you've got going on is where the PH is pronounced as an F. And again, we've got some examples there on the slide for you. Okay, so you've got a lot going on this week, folks. So remember, let us know if you are needing a little bit more time with the spelling list, because it is, as we said, rather huge. And on our last slide, as we have done for all the other spelling groups, there is a link which will give you a little bit more practice of this PH and all its different representations. And this is up to you whether you choose to engage with this. Some of you might find it really useful, and we just thought it was quite good to include this opportunity as well. So that's your words for this week. Remember, we're online every day, so we're here to help. And remember, we are open to feedback, so do let us know if your list is causing you any worry, because that is not what we are aiming for when we are doing new learning. Okay, take care for now. Bye.